Yesterday we had an amazing ride, an amazing day with Mark Morgan and Luciano, of course. And today promises to be another beautiful day. And seeing all those rare Vincent motorcycles, all two of them. I've never seen two in the same spot at the same time. That was pretty cool. Now, I just got Cycle World this morning. I looked at it over the breakfast table and I said how the collectible bike market for antique bikes is growing. What a surprise. And collecting bikes is fun. Riding them is even more fun. And actually today is going to be, I think, one of the nicest days of the year. But the beautiful thing about motorcycles is always that no matter what part of this sport you enjoy, dirt bikes, Harleys, Aprilas, track bikes, street bikes, we can all be friends because I love them all. And the ones like the FZR that I put my heart and soul into for many years, just getting out on the open road today, that in itself is going to be its own reward. No, I won't forget to feed you before I go out on the FZR. Oh, they're hungry. I got back late yesterday and they were hungry. They were ready to jump out of the pond and take my toe off. And I always love to check the weather in the morning and see that big 0 for zero precip. Oh, it's a wonderful day up at Perry's. The only thing I missed those Vincents from yesterday. Oh my God. Well, it looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. Oh boy.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
You're in every one of these videos.
Oh, you don't send them to me anymore, though.
Well, hey,
When am I making your mincemeat?
you gotta pay.
When am I making your mincemeat pie?
Windy has his own YouTube channel there. Windy Earthnowski, right?
Windy Space U.
Right.
Hey, is this your bike? I'm impressed. You've moved up. You even got the matching shirt. Look, he's really into it. Well, or is it monkey? What is the what's the trademark here? What is that? A 50? I don't know.
125.
It is so cool.
Oh, 125.
It is cool.
It's
The
cute.
seat, I think the seat
I
is
don't like
great.
You know what'd be great, Cokie? You put a Yamaha Windy paint job on that, and you could be a little baby Kenny Roberts, my grandson.
A Maserati sticker on each instead of the Honda wings, a Maserati sticker.
He could be fake Kenny Roberts. Be better. And he's the right size for the bike.
You're killing me, buddy.
Come on, Pokey, let's have a race. Come on. Come on, you. Human versus Honda. Well, Jose, hey, Pokey, who needs Jose when you got Donnie? That's great. When are you going to buy one of those Groms so you and Donnie can have races?
That is.
He stole it, right? There's probably some kid that's missing his Grom this morning. You finally broke down and spent some big bucks, huh? You got sick of Jose passing you in the corners, or what happened?
We don't race, we ride fast. Listen.
No, come on. I rode with you already. You're fast.
Yeah, but
You're like a champion.
riding fast is not racing.
How quick can you get your hands in your pockets and buy me a cup of coffee? Then I'll make you the champion.
She wants something that's
I want to tell you something. I did some research on your behalf. This is the bike you really want, right?
It's the bike I really love.
If you had better levers, right?
have a bike for a lot of years.
Now, what is the issue that you can't?
Hate it.
You can't reach.
She can't reach. It's a
Okay.
it's a Yamaha, what they call the.
Okay. So come over by my bike for 1 second. I want to show you something.
And
I'm looking on the internet right now for a set. See, these are an old bike for adjustable levers, because I would like this to be a little closer. Some people grind this away. You don't want to do that. Then this thing flops around like. But I'm going to find who makes universal flat levers.
We looked at the Harley dealership. We looked on Amazon. We looked at.
They're gathering for the big Jose ride to oblivion. All of the fastest riders on the East Coast are here. There it is. Are you going to make any of these guys crash today? You're going to put them in a ditch?
Nobody crushed today.
You're going to all be... What time are you going to be back here? Lunch?
We're going to Port Jervis.
Oh, okay. Yeah, not
Because
too
it
long.
looks like no rain up there. The rain is later.
Yeah. 2 o'clock. They said no rain by me. It was getting cloudy when I left. All right, don't put any of these guys in a ditch.
No, nobody's doing it.
An epic ride day. Oh, they're all leaving now. Oh my God, there they go. MotoGP start. Oh, Valentine radar detectors going off left and right. Oh my God. Oh.
It's a 100-mile-an-hour motorcycle.
yeah.
Or at least it will be when he's done with it.
Yeah,
I bet you.
he'll probably get the big bore kit.
Oh, I'll bet you.
You know, Luciano bought that scooter. The first thing he did was buy the big bore kit.
Well, you bought one.
I started in on it. I got it in the garage. I got this bike up at Charlie's. I have my other bike.
Close encounters of the rip kind. Oh, hey!
And then I realized.
Hey, there's no parking there,
This
fella.
guy's crazy.
That parking is for earthlings only.
You know, he's crazy.
Hey! He's getting younger by the
So what,
day.
you found out
Like
what-
all of us.
I found that.
Maybe it's
Crowds everywhere. It'll be crowded. I'm home from the hills. How about some coffee? Ha. What a day. We didn't run into any Vincents today like yesterday, but always good to see our friends. Always good to have a nice ride. The park is beautiful this time of year, and this bike has performed the last 2 days without missing a beat. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.